Nan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, meron tayong cooking show dito po sa bahay and I'm gonna teach you how to simply cook yung favorite Cajun seafood natin ng chicken claw. So, available na po yung kanilang Cajun sauce. Ayan guys, in a bottle. So, you can cook it anywhere, either sa resort, halimbawang mag-out of town kayo and you want to bring the flavor of chicken claw na talagang nagustuhan nyo, available na po siya dito. So, na-prepare ko na yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayo ditong prawns. Of course, meron tayong crabs. We also have some mussels. These are really huge mussels. And garlic and our butter. So, let's start by heating up our pan. And then una, of course, yung butter. So, lagyan na natin yung butter since mainit na yung balan natin. Ayan. This is my preference. Medyo gusto ko maraming butter. Lagyan na natin yung garlic natin. I want a good amount of garlic. Mas masarap. Mas marami, mas masarap actually. This is already smelling good. And then right after that, lalagay na natin tong Cajun sauce natin. Si Chicken Claw was established 2016, no? Almost sabay kami ng Chicken Claw. Where in Pampanga, halos sabay nag-start ng Chicken Claw. And now, ayan, they have come up with this kind of product na available ang kanilang mga Cajun sauce. So, no need to add oil kasi meron ng oil yung ano natin. So, let's just pour everything in. Ayan, guys. This part, you know, ito lahat yung mga herbs, spices, all the ingredients ng favorite nating Cajun seafood sa chicken claw. Lahat yan nandito sa bottle na to. So available po sila online. You may check them out sa Shopee. You may also contact Miss Ming Tolentino. Ayan. And you can visit Chicken Claw. So pag nag-dine kayo doon, guys, pwedeng bili na rin kayo ng ng Cajun sauce in a bottle. Look at that. And then right after that, guys, it's done. Let's put in our ingredients. So una tong, look at that crab. Oh man, crab. So one for me and one for my wife. Perfect. Alternatively, you can add water. Depende sa preference nyo, guys. So again, nasa inyo yan. Now we're putting in our prawns. And then lastly, our mussels. Whoa! Look at that. So huge. So let's give it a good stir. And then later on, we're gonna cover this up. Actually, yung ginawa ko, guys, so pinrepare ko yung mga ingredients natin. Pinakuluan ko na yung mga crabs, mga shrimps, mga mussels. So, medyo luto na to. Ang ginagawa natin ngayon is we are infusing yung Cajun sauce natin. Ayan, oh. Look at that, oh. Ooh. Oh man. So, let's cover this up. Okay, so I guess this is already set. Yan, so lagay na natin siya dito. Plating lang tayo. So there you have it, guys. Easy seafood cooking brought to us by Chicken Claw Cajun Sauce. If you're interested to get this, make sure to check out their fan page or you may also check them out sa Shopee for online orders and delivery. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next cooking show. Bye!